Victorinox dito. Alam nyo ba, meron akong luggage na Victorinox na fabric luggage siya. More than 10 years na yun, pero super tibay. As in, kahit anong isiksik mo, kahit gaano kabigat yung luggage mo, hindi siya nabubuwag. So, if you guys have some budget, buy Victorinox. Maganda siya. Ito na si Puma na 650 per 2 pairs. Alam mo si Puma, maganda yung itsura niya. Pero may mga shoes kasi sila na hindi masyado malakas yung cushion. Or hindi lang ako aware. Dito tayo, may nakita ako magandang shoes for Brie dito.
Are those shoes?
Yeah. $299. It's size, I don't know, we'll ask. Oops, sorry. Ito mga smaller sizes, it starts at $149. Ayan, ito ano to? $349 yung mga mesh. $249. Cute naman siya. Yung kay Brie, ganito yung design. 'Di ba? Pwede na. Hindi rumihin. She had to get 2 size bigger kasi wala nang ibang choice. O mas mahal pa nga yung maliit, $449. Ito maganda rin. And then ito, yung mga mesh na kasing size ni Brie, $479. Yung ganitong style, $179. Ito, $419. $370. Buy 2, get extra 30% off. Items marked with red dots excluded. Ah, okay. Ito, up to 60% off daw. Ito, fresh foam yata to. Ito yung maganda for running. Tama ba? Ay, ito fuel cell. Mahal no, 1,070. $329. Malambot to. Women running. Okay. Grabe naman to. Fresh foam. Ito pala yun. $649. Super lambot siguro nito, no? Ito naman. Hindi ko gusto itsura nito kung ano man itong design na to. Lifestyle daw. $629. Ito, $699. This one is $629. Okay, I'm just looking at random things kasi hindi ko naman alam kung ano yung mga uso. Ito for men, $419. This one is $510. Sige, you can sit down. This one, $419. Ito, $370. Uy, maganda to ah. For men. Ito, nice. O, ito, $384. Nice siya. Ito naman, for running. Ganda, $370. For men to ha. Ito, $419. This one, $499. This is $489. This one is $549. Wow. Ang laki ng swelas nito. $909. Okay, ngayon, I need to look for that model that was recommended to me. I'm trying to find it eh. Alright, so ang recommend sa akin, New Balance 530 or Fresh Foam. Kaso, itong Fresh Foam na mga to, parang hindi naman sila naka-sale. And yung New Balance 530 out of stock. Unfortunately, ito lang yung outlet nila. So, I guess si Brie lang ang magkakaroon ng sapatos today. So, ayan, this is for Brie. Tingnan nyo si Puma, oh. 652 pairs, 799 3 pairs. Wow, let's check it out. O, di ba? Pero, yung mga ganito, hindi ko type eh.
Ooh, this one has sequins. Cushion. Not the best.
It's quite nice, ah. Even the pink one. Yeah. Magaan na, malambot pa. But I'll do some research on which is the best cushion. Ito naman, 4 items extra 40% off. 3 items extra 30% off. So this one, hindi super sale, pero may discount pa rin. Ito, $5.29, $8.39. Ayan. For boys, $6.59. But they're all discounted, huh? Ayan, 4 items, extra 40% off. 3 items, extra 30% off. So, aside from the discount that's already there. Itong si A6, $3.90 per pair. Ganda nito, oh. For running, diba? Cute yung mga ganyang kulay. $100 pang lakad. So, 5,000. Parang di naka-discount yan. Tingnan lang natin yung mga discounted. Ito lang eh, yung discounted eh. Ito, Gel Sonoma. Uy, wow, grabe ang lambot. Ganda nito. Nice. Pero, hindi siya as discounted as most shoes.
So we got rice and chicken. I don't know what's. And so wait, what's that? What's that supposed to be?
Yeah.
And we also got some potato chips.
Buy one, get one chips.
Yeah, and haichu, meat and vegetables, and we got some haichu.
Haichu, buy one, take one yan.
And this is
Ay,
for
discounted.
flavor.
Itong chips na to, buy one, get
I will
one.
take one.
Ito, $13 yung isang set. So, at least we're set for this evening. Tomorrow morning, pwede naman kami man-champurado at saka cup noodles.
Look, ice.
Hanapin namin yung elevator. Papunta na kami ng Disneyland. Oh, dito sa ground floor, where the buses are, andito yung lockers. It's open from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. Tingnan natin kung magkano, ha. Paano? Sabi dito, select language, input locker number na available. Confirm the additional rental charges. To retrieve to. To store, select language and press store. Set up your 6-digit passcode. Select preferred payment methods. Locker will open automatically. Store your belongings. Okay. Let's say mag-store tayo. Let's agree. Ay, medium na lang ang available. Which is not. Okay. So, puro pala medium to, mga ma. Wala silang mga XL. Good to know. Rental, first 6 hours pag small, pag large, pag medium. May large pala, pero basement 2 and basement 3. Okay. Yun lang, I just wanted to show you. Alright, maglalakad na kami papuntang station. Bus terminal to eh. So, using the lift or elevator, Paglabas namin, ito na yung Ngongping, oh. Pero bakit sira? Or sarado? Baka meron pang kabila. Ayan na yung station. So, sa labas talaga ang daan. Kasi kapag galing ka ng mall, walang direktang, paano ba? You need an escalator. Sorry, you need an elevator kung ganito kalaki yung luggage mo, katulad sa amin. Mainit. So, mag-sunscreen na lang kayo. Kami nag-sunscreen kami. Anyway, from Tongchong or Tongchung, one station away lang daw. So, let's see. Alright, so we're looking for a lift again. Dahil sobrang bigat nito. Feeling ko may 20 kilos na talaga siya. Which is heavy for us. Hindi dalawang inisip ko, mag-taxi na lang kaya kami. Total 3 naman kami. Pero sige, subukan muna namin ang subway or ang train. Oh, wait a minute. First train. Oh yeah, here. Because we're here, right? Alright, so ito, we are at Tongchong. Pupunta tayo ng Sunny Bay Station. So, one station away nga lang. Kasi from Sunny Bay Station, lilipat tayo ng Pink Line, which is the Disney Resort Line. Ayan mga mare, yung priority seat yung mga yan, red. Don't sit there. That's for the elderly, pregnant women, disabled, seniors. Tapos dito, pagpapasok kayo ng train, dapat sa gilid kayo nakapila. Ayun no, may mga orange markers doon. Doon kayo tatayo. Bakit? Kasi yung mga lalabas, sa gitna sila lumalabas. Huwag nyo silang sasalubungin, di ba? Para maganda yung flow. Ito, tulad nito, may arrow naman dyan, no? Di ba? Pag lalabas ka sa gitna, yung mga papasok sa gilid, palabasin nyo muna yung lalabas. Gusto nilang ma-experience yung nakatayo sa train. Sabi ni Brie, where are the seatbelts? Naghanap siya ng seatbelt. Walang seatbelt. It's a public train. Be careful when it stops, ha? Hold on. Tuwan-tuwa si Brie. Tumatawa siya kanina. Yan, nakasmile. Tsura niya. In fairness, malayo-layo pala yung Tongchong sa Sunny Bay Station. Kala ko less than a minute. Nandun na, hindi pa pala. Matagal-tagal. Sa bagay, it makes sense, no? Kasi yung Disneyland, nasa siya, dulo ng eastern side ng Lantau Island. Alright, we're here.
This is fun.
Ay, wait, where's the lift again? We cannot use the escalator, so we're looking for the lift because we have luggage. Ayan, mabilis na naman makita yung ayan no, yung color yellow dyan na may up down na signage. Yan, lift yan. Kanan daw. Ha?
Looking at the station map in the train car, Disneyland has its own line.
Yeah, Disneyland has its own line. Ayan no. I don't know if we can fit. Let's just let them go first. Oh. All right. Yay! Sit down.
Young Mickey Mouse.
Wow. So, it is currently 3 p.m. and walang tao. Hindi siya puno. Obviously, most people... Ay, ang cute!
You can't reach it. You cannot dangle free. It's dangerous.
Jojo. Ayun na naman silang dalawa. Gusto na naman nila nakatayo. For the experience. We're here. Nice. Okay, so we need to look for the lift again.
There's a ramp.
Okay, ayan o, yung may yellow. Lift yan. Ganda ah. Ito na yung lift. Hindi kami kasya. Sa next na lang kami. Okay. We're here. Now, how do we go to the shuttle bus? Ayan na! Disneyland Resort! Other people would just come here to take a photo of that. Okay, so dito kami sa may resort hotel shuttles. Saktong-sakto. Iconic yung mga yan, no? Yung mga green lamppost na yan. Matagal lang ganyan yan. Sabi dyan, sa kaliwa, Resort Hotel Shuttle. That's where we're going. It's a Wednesday, so the park is closed today. Ah, so yung ibang nandun sa ano, nagpipicture lang talaga sila. So, iba yung shuttle sa Hollywood Hotel at sa Explorers Lodge. Explorers tayo. This is a nice idea. Yung mga seats na ganyan. Diba? It doesn't occupy space. And then you can sit while waiting. Bus is here. Anyway, I feel like even if you don't have a booking, you could still see the hotel. Kasi wala naman nag-check ng ticket eh. Ang grand nung ano. In hindsight, if you can spare 100 to 150 Hong Kong dollars or 3 or 4 kayo, tapos may luggages kayo, 1 to 2, mag-taxi na lang kayo. Kami kasi titipid eh. Ooh. Let's go in.
What is that place? What is that place?
It's our hotel. Tara, mag-check-in muna tayo. Here we go. Where?
There.
That's the castle, and this is the Royal Banquet Hall. Chicken, roasted, baked pork chops with drink na.